Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Brave Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So today's video is the part 2 of web development series, and today I'll teach you how to begin with HTML. So in order to write your first piece of code, you need to know the syntax in HTML, which is based on tags. So let me explain you what are tags. Tags can be referred to the building blocks of the website. Like each tag is used for making a particular component in your website. Today I will explain you tags related to texts, for example heading, paragraph, etc. Let's begin. In order to write any tag, you need to follow this syntax. Now let's write a heading in your website. So in order to write a heading, we have 6 type of different tags, from h1 tag to h6 tag, and the size of h1 to h6 tags is decreasing. Now let's write this syntax and make our h1 tag and write the content between the h1 tag. And if we save this and run this in browser, as you can see here, website has been written in our browser in the format of an heading. Now let's experiment this using h6 tag, and as you can see here, it is quite small compared to h1 tag. Now this is the list of all the sizes of h1 to h6 tags. Now comes the second question. If you want to write a paragraph, how you can write? In order to write a paragraph, you have a tag called p tag, and now paragraphs can be made using p tags, something like this. So today you have understood how to write tags and how you can write heading and paragraph tag. So in the next video I would explain you how to make a basic template of your HTML. So stay tuned till the next video.